what's the logic behind spirituality? So many people say that, what's the logic? Have you ever seen God? Have you seen the creator and stuff like that? Why do you believe in religion? Why do you believe in spirituality? Like, we have never seen God, so why should we believe it? So the point is, if you are finding logic, when we ask what's the logic about God and stuff like that, we are thinking from our left brain. And if you see in the map of consciousness, logic is at 400. Okay, so if you have to actually understand what's happening in spirituality and stuff, you have to let go of the need to find logic. Then actually the logic will come in your brain. You will receive the logic and understanding. If you just kind of start finding it in the books and keep asking people, watching videos, what's the meaning, what's the logic, I have not seen God, you will not find anything, basically, because you have to let go of the need to find something and have faith. Then your right brain will start working and your pineal gland will also start working. Then you will go into deep level of meditations, and then you will realize in the end that you are that what you are finding, basically, when you will meditate. And you will go very deep inside your mind, and you will realize that you are neither your mind nor your body. You are just awareness, and everything that is God or universe, and you are single particle, we can say a God particle, existing within all of this existence. You are existing within existence, so there is nothing to find. So that's the problem when we say what's the logic, because we are not using our right brain, we are totally using our left brain. But remember that our right brain is also very important. And yeah, so if you are here watching this video finding what's the logic behind spirituality, basically first you have to let go of the need to find logic, and then you have to somehow start your right brain, either meditate or take some psychedelics, go in a place where psychedelics are legal, and then try them. Obviously I'm not promoting psychedelics, but that's a shortcut to start your right brain and pineal gland, because we are too much habitual of using just our left brain. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. And the last, I'm just gonna say that if you're finding logic still, meditate, let go, and then you will actually find the logic. Okay, bye bye, see you later in the next video. Have a nice day.